For this instructional plan, I picked, or I created I named the lesson. We were here first. I said it was second grade, and standard is social studies, second grade American history. It says recognize the Native Americans were the first inhabitants in North America. The purpose of this lesson is to teach students facts about the first Indian tribes in North America. My objective was Miss Ortiz's second grade class will be able to list 3 to 4 points about each tribe on a fact sheet with 85% accuracy or higher. My summative assessment is American Indian unit test. And formative, I said have students do a group project on one of the tribes to present to the class. And my materials are the worksheets I have listed, the Venn diagram, the unit test, and the North American Indians article. And my accommodations for ESOL, I said we'll go through a picture gallery walk where students look for clues and write a quick summary of what it is showing. This will have them using images to make connections. I said for ESC, record instructions and articles on a tape recorder so kids can repeat instructions whenever they want and break down if they need to, and they can also record their own answers on there as well. And then for gifted students, I said they can create a report presentation on someone from one of the tribes. And then vocabulary is Indians and tribes. Anticipatory set, I said set up stations for either dream catchers or tribal hats. Let students decide which station they would like to go to. Explain how to make each one, and then let students start making their crafts. And have students show at the end what they made. Introducing new knowledge. I said read an article and create a powwow tale. So teachers' actions, I said tell the students to get in pairs and start reading North American Indian nations. Students read and then grab a powwow tales worksheet. And then after the students are done, I will explain the worksheet. And then they will create with a partner their own story and draw any additional people or objects that they want around when the story is being told. And then obviously the students are creating a story and drawing the images. And then practicing and deepening, I said students will read and fill out details on fact sheet. So we will do popcorn reading aloud about the tribes with the class. Students will read the articles aloud and highlight facts in between that might be important. And then I'll pass out American Indians facts worksheet and tell the students once they get it, they can start filling it out. And that's when they fill in the 3 to 4 points for each tribe and get ready to share. For generating and testing, I said students will fill out a Venn diagram to compare their lives to ours. So students keep out their article about each tribe, and then the students will be labeling one side of the Venn diagram me, the other side Indians, and in the middle write both. While they're labeling it, then I will go to explain what they need to write down that they have different from the Indians and things they have similar, and then students do that. Then for closure, I said pick a tribe and create a presentation. Teacher actions, I said put students in groups of 3 and tell students to discuss what tribe they want to pick. Students will pick the tribe, list it so that other groups know which one they can do. And then the teacher will explain that the student needs to do research about the tribe and come ready in the attire on top of their school clothes, similar to the ones their tribe wore. And students will present the lives of the tribe of their choosing. And then students will be allowed to go to the computer lab and start doing research so they are ready to present when the deadline comes.